Hello everyone. Today we will talk about the BIZUIT Forms Designer, a key tool for creating forms that interact with the processes within the BIZUIT platform. Forms are the screens through which users communicate with processes, sending and receiving information in real time. Forms properties. Each form can be customized to define its behavior and appearance. In the Forms Designer, we have options to adjust both the content and the visual presentation of the form, ensuring that each screen is tailored to the specific needs of the process we are modeling. Controls and connectors. BIZUIT Forms Designer includes a wide variety of controls available at the toolbox, such as text fields, buttons, and drop-down lists. These controls can be linked directly to process data, such as parameters, variables, or results of previous activities. In addition, on the Link Properties tab, we can configure exactly what data will be linked to each control. We can also set restrictions on the controls, defining what type of data is supported and applying basic validations to avoid errors. Validations in formatting. The Forms Designer allows us to apply advanced validations beyond the data type. For example, we can define business rules to verify if the value entered is valid in a specific context. In addition, in the Formatting Properties tab, we configure how the control will look like, depending on certain conditions, providing a clearer and more dynamic user experience. Secondary data sources. Finally, we can use additional data sources within the forms to enrich the interaction with the process. These sources can include SQL statements, stored procedures, REST APIs, or even the activation of new processes within BIZUIT, which increases the possibilities for integration and automation. In summary, BIZUIT Forms Designer is a powerful and flexible tool that allows to design custom forms, connect data and apply business rules, all in an intuitive environment.